Sold our house in 12 hours, and the whole process with Tabor kept us from, really freaking out about selling our house so fast. Joel and Karen Hunter.
We moved from a house that was built in the 80s to this house. So there are a lot of things we love about it. It's modern, it's beautiful. The cabinets, there are a ton of cabinet space. The island is massive. And the house that we had been living in, like I said, was built in the 80s, all very tight. There's just so much space. You just don't feel crowded at all.
Had a little work done on the garage door runners, and they fixed that. They came in and took care of us, and feel like we've been very well taken care of in that regard. Yeah, the guys out there doing the work in the neighborhood, there's a lot of new construction going on, and they've been just fantastic. Friendly guys, and stay out of the way as much as they possibly can, and very mindful of the people that are already living in homes as they're working on new homes at the time. And friends and family that have come by and visited the new home, we really don't have to do much recommending. They walk around and check out the design and the layout, and so far we've got 3 kids with 3 spouses and 7 grandkids, and everybody has had a very positive impression of the house.